Welcome back, future medicos. Tamil Nadu Selection Committee has released the round 2 results yesterday. In this video, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for the private medical colleges and private universities under the management quota. So basically, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for non-minority students. What is the cutoff under management quota? We are going to do a comparison between round 1 cutoff and round 2 cutoff, and we will see how many marks the cutoff has dropped from round 1 to round 2. Come, let us get into the details. So we are looking at the cutoff. I have shown you what is the cutoff in round 1, what is the cutoff in round 2. I have shown what is the general rank. This general rank is nothing but the rank that is shown in the management quota merit list. So this is the general rank according to the management quota applicants. Within the management quota applicants, what is your rank is the GR, general rank. Marks is the need score. And then again for round 2, I have shown what is the general rank and marks. As usual, the topmost medical college or the topmost private medical college in Tamil Nadu is PSG Coimbatore under the management quota. For this medical college, the cutoff in round 1 was the general rank 2327 and not a lot of difference in round 2. It came down to 2343, a very small difference. And in terms of need score, 480 in round 1 and 479 in round 2. Just a 1 mark difference compared to round 1, 480 to 479. KMCH Coimbatore is at the second place. There is a drop of 2 marks compared to round 1. From 473, it has dropped to 471. Velamal Medical College, 465 is the closing score. Compared to round 1, there is a 4 marks drop. Panimalar, 464, just a 1 mark drop. Melmaruthur Adiparasakti closed at 458. Karpaga Vinayaga, 456 marks. Tagore Medical College, 454. Swami Vivekananda, 449. St. Peter's Medical College, 445 marks. Nanda Medical College, 442 marks. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College, that is the college that comes under the private college category or self-financing category, which is affiliated to Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. The closing score is 440 marks. Annai Medical College closed at 438. Indira Medical College, 436. And the lowest cutoff for management quota in self-financing colleges is PSP Medical College in Kanchipuram, which closed at 434 marks. In round 1, it had a closing score of 445. So there is a drop of about 11 marks for PSP. So overall, if you look at the cutoff for self-financing colleges, round 1, it closed at 4,501 general rank. Now it closed at 5,237. About 700 ranks dropped from round 1 to round 2. In terms of marks, from 444, it has dropped to 434. Just here, 10 marks drop for management quota. Not a lot of difference, just 10 marks. Now let us look at the private universities. Now private universities, there are some seats increased. So Venkateshwara, from 435 marks, it has dropped to 424. Srinivasan Medical College at Samayapuram closed at 423. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, that comes under the private university, 420 marks. Kanyakumari Medical Mission also closed at 420. Compared to round 1, there is a drop of about 14 marks. First round 434, now 420. So again, even for the private universities, the difference is not much. Just about 14 marks has dropped compared to round 1. So if you look at the self-financing colleges, the round 2 closing score is 434 marks. And for private universities, the round 2 closing mark is 420 marks. Will this cutoff come down in round 3? That's a big question. It's very difficult to answer. It all depends on what selection committee is going to do for the NRI vacancies. இந்த NRI vacancies என்ன பண்ண போறாங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சாதான் நமக்கு கட் ஆஃப் கம்மியாகுமா இல்ல கிட்டத்தட்ட இதே ரேஞ்சில இருக்குமான்னு we can tell. In case if the NRI vacancies are not converted to management quota. Let's say, for example, if selection committee opens fresh registration for NRI candidates, then probably we cannot expect a lot of drop in cutoff for the private colleges or private universities management quota. Whereas in case if the selection committee converts the vacant NRI seats in round 3, then certainly we can expect some drop in terms of the cutoff for private colleges and private universities. Of course, don't ask me how much it will drop. It's very difficult for me to predict the future. It's almost like impossible for me to tell you how many marks it will drop. So don't ask me that questions. I don't have an answer. So I hope this information will be useful for you. So if someone was expecting a lot of drop in round 2, unfortunately, it didn't happen. Thank you. Bye.